Russell here from Ultimate Four Wheel Drive, and we're going to have a look at another 200 series that we've run through the workshop this week. We've got a 2018 GXL, fresh from the dealership. It's rolled straight out of the dealership down here for some work to be done on it. We've got the TJM Bullbar with the TJM 12,000 pound winch, synthetic rope winch in there, the Lightforce HTX Lights, which have been around for a while now and have proven themselves as a very high performing light, giving you awesome distance from the HID and fantastic spread from the LEDs on there. Working our way back, we've got the Rhino Rack Backbone system set up there with the tradie platform. Again, a really popular roof rack. Gives you one of the highest load ratings that you can get for these cars. Obviously the platforms, you can come in with a flat platform, a tradie platform like this one with the sides, also the full cage, and any number of accessories available for these racks, so they are a great option. Also see we've got some Lightforce ROK40 work lights up on the corners there. They're going to put out a massive amount of light out of the back of this car, for really handy for reversing, great for camping, any of that sort of thing where you need that extra light up there. Having a look in the back of the car, we've got another set of Harvey drawers. Now, we go on about these a fair bit, but these really are premium drawers. Pretty much the best that money can buy. So the Oliver family have been making these drawers for decades, and they know exactly what they're doing, and the quality shines through when you're using these drawers. They are nice and solid. Great weight ratings on these. This one's got the inbuilt fridge slide as well, so great feature from them. They're a beautiful finish, a beautiful fit for these cars, and really, if you're looking at a set of drawers and you want them to last, you need to be considering RV Storage Solutions drawers. So we've also got the ultimate tailgate light, the Lightforce ROK40 light up in the tailgate there, which is switched just down on the side. Also got the cargo barrier in there to keep everything safe and secure in the cargo area of the car. So we've also got the ultimate dual battery system through this one. So the dual battery system is, in our opinion, one of the more important things that you need to get right on your car. Electrical installs can be hazardous if they're not done right. Our ultimate platform houses all of your fuses, relays, circuit breakers, all of that gear all in one place. You know exactly where to go. If you've ever got an issue, we need to know something, that's where it is. It also keeps your engine bay super neat. So we've seen dual battery systems come in here where you've got spaghetti wiring coming off batteries. You know, it's accessory on top of accessory just been added on, and it can build up. You've got inline fuses tucked under and in amongst the engine bay. It can become a real hazard. With this setup, you've got it as simple as it can be and as neat as it can be. These batteries have nothing hanging off them apart from what is absolutely necessary. Everything is run through the dual battery platform here to keep it all nice and neat and safe. Also in there we've got the Couplertech Rust Protection System running off there, the BRC Diff breathers, the diff breather head there, and the isolation switch for the winch also housed up there. So everything's tucked in there, all nice and neat, all accessible, and pretty much as good as it can get with the install. So with that, we've also got the Icom UHF mated with the GME antenna, and for the suspension on this one, it's got the Lovells GVM Upgrade. Now this is one of the most important things that you need to consider with your vehicle if you're buying a vehicle like this and doing a bit of work to it. Just so you know, this is a GXL, 2018 200 series GXL. With the work that we've done to it, everything that we've mentioned so far, this went on over the weighbridge at 3,050 kilos. Now the factory maximum GVM on this is 3,350 kilos. So at 3050 with a full tank of fuel and nobody in it, if you're towing, for example, you've got a 3-tonne caravan with roughly 300 kilos on the ball, this car would be sitting at its GVM before anyone even sat in the car. So you need to think about that. If you are building up your car, if you're looking at loading up with accessories, you need to know your weight. The GVM upgrade on this one takes its maximum GVM to 3,800, so you're getting that extra payload in there. So you've built in that buffer. You can get yourself in the car, your family in the car, your luggage in the car, and still be underweight. So the other important thing to note about the Lovells GVM upgrades is they do maintain your factory towing capacity. So at 3,800 GVM, this still has a maximum towing capacity of 3,500 kilos. Obviously your ball weight needs to be included in your GVM when you are loaded up and hooked up and going away, but that is the difference with the Lovells systems compared to some others out there where you do maintain your factory towing capacity. So if you're looking at buying a car and doing it up, if you're looking at doing a GVM upgrade, if you're towing a sizable van, you need to look into these things before you get too far down the line of buying a car and doing it up, and make sure that you're going to stay within your legal limits. It really is a very important safety issue, but not only that, legislation, all these sorts of things, insurance that can all be jeopardised if you are travelling overweight, so something to be really mindful of. So that's pretty much the package that we've got on this 200 series today. If you've got any queries, any of that, if you're looking at building up a car, if you're looking at buying a car for this sort of purpose, come and see us down at Ultimate 4-Wheel Drive, or give us a call, talk to the experts out the front. We can run you through some great options. We're an independent store, we bring all the best brands together, so come and see us at Ultimate 4-Wheel Drive.